sharing everything I wore during my trip to Costa Rica, including the airport outfits to give you an idea of some tropical vacation outfit ideas. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty, style guru, and lifestyle content creator. If you caught my Costa Rica recap, wow, that is a tongue twister. Go ahead and check that out first because that is where I'm sharing all the outfits that I wore during my trip to Costa Rica. And of course, not only do I have a blog post, which I linked in the description below, which links to all of my fits, but I do have as many of the outfits as I could linked in the description below. So if there's something that you are loving, I already have you covered. So let's go ahead and get into it. Starting with my airport outfit, I actually flew from Houston to San Jose. I was in Houston for my Line Sisters vow renewal. Shout out to my Zetas. And so I caught my flight from already very warm 70-degree Houston to a very beautiful 75-degree San Jose. This is what I wore. I will say I used to dress up a little bit more for the airport, but going on longer flights, I have found that I have been gearing way more towards comfort. So I have this really comfortable zip up that I got from Urban Outfitters years ago. I love this crop zip up. It just is so flattering but so comfortable. I paired it with a very breezy crop top because I knew that I sweat a lot and I don't like wearing long sleeves. I get caught up in my armpits and then the sweat just, it ain't cute. It is not cute. But of course, cozy does not mean you need to look boring. So I paired it with the bottoms from this ASOS matching set I had because you know I love me an animal print moment, especially I just feel like going into Costa Rica, headed to the rainforest, right? Like that was the vibe. And also because we were going to go straight from the airport into a shuttle that was a 3.5-hour drive to our Airbnb, I wanted ultimate comfort. I knew I was going to be sitting, it was going to be hot, so I wanted something that I knew I was going to be comfortable in, not only for the flight but for a car ride as well. The Airbnb we booked was gorgeous. It came with its own pool, so of course we took a nice little moment after that long car ride to just cool off and enjoy being outside. So I wore my Riot swimsuit. I'm obsessed. Even being a little yitty girl, like this swimsuit is so flattering, it is so comfortable. I don't feel self-conscious in this at all. I feel like if you're a little nervous about showing the booty butt cheeks, you might want to skip over this swimsuit, but I cannot say enough amazing things about this Echo swimsuit. Like, super comfortable. And then just to walk around in, I had these H&M puffy slides. Again, very comfortable, inexpensive, but giving a really fun vibe as well. Next, we headed to dinner at Don Rufio's, which was so delicious, by the way. And this is the outfit I wore. The top might look a little familiar. You see what I did there? This is from the Monroe Steel collab with Amazon. It is so gorgeous. I just felt like the really fun bright colors, especially being in the rainforest, and then some super cozy linen shorts and my trusty ASOS sandals, which are honestly like on their last leg, but super comfortable, super cute. And I paired it with my Brandon Blackwood bag to play with the orange in my top. Very breezy, very like casual chic for grabbing dinner and just hanging out with my bestie. It was such a good time and a really great choice of outfit. The next day was our most jam-packed day, so we started super early. We headed to the Mystico Bridges, and I knew I wanted to get some of those just like very iconic shots on the bridge, but I didn't want to just be in like the same kind of explorer workout clothes that a lot of people wore. So I actually found this super amazing ASOS cover-up and the zebra print. It was a moment, and what I loved was that this actually worked out really well. I wore some Spanx underneath to keep my legs from chafing because your girl was in fact hiking, but this actually turned out to be such a great outfit. It was breezy because it got a little hot while we were walking around, but it also wasn't too long. And again, for the photo ops, it gave what it needed to give, and I was realistic. I will say that I do my best to like tread that fine line that is like, girl, are you really gonna wear that? And like, you've made it make a little sense because I did pair it with my Nike sneakers. These are my classic black Nike sneakers that I wear to run and things like that because we were gonna be hiking, and they do make you wear closed-toed shoes. So this outfit turned out to be absolutely perfect for that and to hike down to the La Fortuna waterfall, which was the second thing that we did in the day. However, your girl did do an outfit change into this number. This is from NAKD. It is a swimsuit cover. It is sold out, and my Shein swimsuit Not really proud of it, but it looks amazing. I really wanted to be contrasting with the waterfall. A lot of people try and blend in. I really wanted just like the bright orange to really stand out with the blues and the greens that were down there. And I feel like it gave what it needed to give. It was so comfortable. And for the stairs, there are 500. If you watch my vlog, you know. I will say that a lot of people actually did just kind of wear their swimsuits up and down, no cover up or anything. So in terms of what to wear for the waterfall hike, it truly is up to you and what you want to do. If you want a really cute picture, bring the cute clothes, girl. No one's gonna judge you. Honestly, like I literally took off the zebra cover up and put on the NAKD cover up. Nobody really gave two F's about it. And I got my shots. So all that to say, girl, if you want to, go ahead and do it. Wear the practical thing down, change it to something cute. Or just honestly, like I said, a lot of people wearing just like an oversized t-shirt and the swimwear, or just a pair of shorts and their swimwear to like hike up and down, because those stairs really were no joke. Then after that, because we got a 2-day pass to the springs, we went over there for the rest of the evening. So I kept the same Shein swimsuit on and we just lounged, and it was great, and we had laughs, and it was super comfortable, and it worked really perfectly because it is a more adult only type resort. So I didn't feel like I was like showing off my body to a bunch of kids, because I do feel a little nervous still when I wear swimsuits where like I'm exposed like that, especially my booty butt cheeks. Because they be luscious. Definitely more commonplace in Costa Rica to wear the Brazilian style bikini bottom, so no worries. Before I get into the rest of the fits, if you are finding this video even the least bit helpful, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, because that will help this video reach even more people wondering what to wear to a tropical vacation, especially in Costa Rica. The next day, like I mentioned, we had a 2-day pass to the springs, so we went back to really luxuriate. And of course, I was stuck in orange. I feel like for whatever reason, if you watch my Morocco vlog and everything I wore in Morocco, it was very much the same. Like orange seems to be my vacation color of choice. So I had my Ivy Park swimsuit, which body yaddy yaddy yaddy. And then I paired it with the Hanifa cover up. The combo you guys didn't even know you needed though. And then my ASO slides, because again, just easy white slides that go with everything. You cannot go wrong. And it was, you see, giving. And the other reason that I chose the Ivy Park swimsuit was because me and my friend were also planning to do whitewater tubing. So I also didn't want a swimsuit that was going to be giving me some wardrobe malfunctions. I wanted something that was going to be easy to do what I needed to do in, and this worked perfectly for that. It was so fun. It was really cute. And then I did do another wardrobe change, because the cool thing about the springs is they have 2 separate places where they have the hot water springs. There is some on their main resort, but then also they have some tucked off inside the actual rainforest. And so I knew I really wanted to get a more iconic picture moment. Cue the Andrea Iyama swimsuit. Yeah, this is a little more frilly and a little more girly than I would normally go for, but it just gave what I needed it to give. Like, we see it. It's so cute. Honestly, her swimsuits, if you are on the fence, would recommend, because I was a little nervous when I got this and wasn't quite sure if I would love it. I love it, and this one is really, really versatile. Like the top, I definitely can restyle to wear with some shorts, to wear with some pants, for a really cute like dinner outfit or something like that. So there's a lot of versatility too with this swimsuit that I loved, which is why I brought it with me as well. Then we had a quick change of clothes, because we had a 3.5 car ride from La Fortuna over to Jaco, to the beach town, to the party life. So I wore this super amazing AFRM matching set, of course the animal print. Cannot go wrong. Super cozy, super breezy, especially because it was still hot out. So this was a really great car ride outfit. When in doubt, on any vacation, honestly, a matching set, you cannot go wrong. Like, it is my go-to, all fail, like one outfit and go. And the great thing about a good matching set too is you can restyle it. So the shorts I could have paired with a cute crop top. The top I could have paired with a cute, fun colored short. So matching sets to me are like one of those things I just always pack for a vacation, because it just makes sense. And they're always breezy. I don't have to overthink it, and I always look good. Once we got into Jaco, our bellies were rumbling, so we went to go find somewhere to eat. We found Graffiti, which was this amazing wine bar, and the food, honestly, it was my favorite food on the whole trip. But that aside, this is what I ended up wearing to dinner. I have this cute bandeau style top from ASOS, and I just paired it with my Hanifa skirt that I had on earlier in the day. Yes, I am that girl. I like to rewear my pieces on vacation. I didn't feel the need to bring a whole separate outfit for dinner when I knew I could make that skirt from earlier work. So I just subbed out the Ivy Park swimsuit for that cute bandeau top, kept the same shoes and then paired it with my Brandon Blackwood bag. Again, super cute, the orange matchy, and it was really, really perfect because again, the weather is really, really warm. Like even in the nighttime, it was still very, very warm out, so I didn't feel cold at all, and I didn't really feel the need to like have a jacket. Although that isn't to say you shouldn't pack something. I would definitely always recommend you pack at least like a cute cropped denim jacket, or maybe like a shacket, just something a little bit thicker when you do go on tropical vacations, because it does sometimes get way chillier than you expect it to. So our last full day, we wanted a beach day, so I didn't overthink it. I went with something very simple. I have this swimsuit. I cannot remember the brand, and the reason I can't remember the brand is they actually had really, really, really crappy customer service. So even if I could, I wouldn't tell you, not to gatekeep, because I have found some really similar ones to link below. It's not to gatekeep. I just would not recommend a brand that I don't stand behind, and the way that I was treated. So for the evening, we had not only dinner, but we finally decided to check out the nightlife, the reason we went to Jaco in the first place. So I have this dress that I have had from Pattaya for 2 years. It is giving yacht, it is giving luxury, and your girl doesn't even have a bra on, and you see, she look a little busty, a little zesty. I will say I'm glad I didn't go with heels. I know some girls would have probably wanted platform sandals or something like that, but the sandals worked for me because we actually did do some walking to a couple of different bars. So keep that in mind. If you plan to walk a lot, or if you're just not sturdy in heels, skip heels on vacation. They just take up more space than they're worth, unless you're truly going to be a champ and rock them bad boys. But I have it in me. After wearing heels like a couple nights in a row in Houston, I just was like, yeah, I'm going to let my feet rest. But it still served what it needed to serve. Even though my girl and I partied late into the night, I woke up early the next day. I really wanted to get a good photo shoot on the beach. And this is the swimsuit that I wore, also from ASOS, and matching that cover up from earlier. Super obsessed. A good string bikini is just a must, I feel like, especially if you want to get just a very bare minimum tan, very little lines. This one did the job. I will say, if you're looking for something to make your yitties look a little bigger, you can go ahead and skip out on this exact one, because I just felt like it covered what it needed to cover. Didn't really like lift, shape, or anything like that, but I wasn't mad at it. I think it really gave the vibe that I was going for. Then it was time to pack up and get ready to head back to cold Michigan weather. So I went with a similar outfit that I flew from Michigan to Houston in, which is this. You see I have that zip up back on. When I say my Urban Outfitters zip up, it gets the wear, okay? Like, I wore this flying to Morocco. I bring this basically on every trip. I wore this over a romper that I have from H&M to have an extra layer, because I knew it was going to be cold in Michigan, and then paired it with the Laissez the Label sweatpants. When I tell you, these sweatpants are mad comfortable. And what I love about them is you can like dress them up, dress them down, like you can make these appropriate for work. I'm just saying, if you are a girly who does like to like get away with wearing your sweats to work, I would just consider looking at Laissez the Label, because super cozy, super comfortable. And then I put on the sneakers that I had on when we were hiking from Nike. Super comfortable again, with some socks. So that is it. Everything I wore in Costa Rica, to give you an idea of what you can wear on a tropical vacation and give you a real look at truly what I wore and then what I changed into in some of the locations to get the shot. I will say, for me, I'm definitely a practical person. I think my style very much says that. Like, I like to have fun, clearly. I like the colors, I like the patterns, I love texture, but I just haven't gotten to a point where I'm gonna be the girly who packs like a maxi dress that goes down for 7 miles and then changes like on the beach in front of everybody, and it's freezing cold like Iceland. When I went to Iceland, here is my vlog for that. You can see I was definitely very practical. I thought about it. I will not lie. I thought about bringing like super unpractical clothes, but I just don't have that in me. I also don't like to use a lot of my vacation time, as crazy as it sounds, to create content. So when I do actually take the time to take my photos and take my videos, I set a timer for like 10 minutes. And I tell my friends or family when I'm traveling with them, like, when that timer goes off, I'm done. If I haven't captured it, I haven't captured it. I'm not gonna sit here and waste all of my time on vacation just trying to get photos. I love to be in the moment. And for me, like, I'm rarely on my phone, if ever. So I actually do have to remind myself when I'm on vacation, like, hey, crap, like, the people want to see this, you know, you should get a quick video of this, you should get a quick video of that, because I literally would go on vacation and not show you guys anything. Like, I am the same way when I step out for the night, which is why you don't very often see me posting on social media about, like, my night out outfits, because I literally just get ready and I go. I'm just like, if you see me out, you see the outfit, like, and that's just how it is. My vacation time is my off time. So I do pack in a way that I dress, right? Like I'm not just bringing stuff to bring stuff for the sake of shooting. And I love to bring things that I know I'm going to actually wear, I'm going to be comfortable in. And of course, they're going to look cute because I like to look cute. Like that's just how I do it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. You got tons of outfit ideas for a tropical vacation, what to wear, things to keep in mind in terms of outfit combinations or the fabric themselves, because I really want to give you guys, like I said, an honest look at what I wear and help you not only to get ideas for yourself, but help you build that confidence. Like, okay, like I wouldn't have thought to bring a change of clothes and then change to get my photo. Like, girly, yes, do it. That's what most of us do. We're not obviously running down there in these long dresses. And if they are, girl, they are brave, because Lord, couldn't be me. Thank you for watching all the way until the end. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'll be sharing not just style this year, but definitely more lifestyle. So more trips, more beauty, definitely things around the house, because I get so many questions about my loft. So a lot of that will be coming up this year as well. Thank you for watching all the way until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.